Hi guys, welcome to Valeo Fit, and I am your coach, Amanda Russell, and today I am taking you through an excellent legs and butt workout, or legs and glutes workout. All you need for this workout are, so you can do this with no weight at all. Otherwise, I have now progressed to ankle weights. So yes, remember Jane Fonda, Tammy Webb from the 80s and 90s with the ankle weights? I swear by these. I met a woman in the gym using them a couple years ago, and she was Miss Fitness, and she told me this was her secret. And you can buy these, they come as a set on valeofit.com. So you can head over there to grab your set, they're super inexpensive. Also, you can travel with them. The weight pockets, there's like 5 little pockets you can adjust the weight in them. So what we are doing today is 7 exercises, 10 reps each. If you're doing another workout with this and you're adding this leg and butt workout routine to your workout, then 1 round is enough. Otherwise, I would say 3 to even 4 rounds as you work if you're doing a legs and butt workout today total. So you guys ready? All right, we're gonna start. Feet a little wider than shoulder width apart, and you are just going to squat down and then kick up. Squat down, kick up. That's it, that's 2. And it doesn't matter how high you kick. It's wherever is high to you. You don't want to throw yourself out trying to get up too high. You're still getting the benefits of the workout. That's it. Nice. You can feel it right away burning. And again, you can do this without the weight. And 1 more. Or you can build up to the weight. Nice job. All right. Now standing side crunches. So you're going to reach your arms up overhead and crunch. And crunch. Nice. 2. Beautiful standing oblique crunch here, right? Nice. That's it. We're gonna do 10 each side, so we're halfway there. That's it, smile. Half the battle is getting started, right? Now we're in it. We're gonna stay with it. Nothing great comes easy. We gotta put the time in. If only there was just a magic leap for that. And last round, got it, all right. Now we're gonna go into a standing stick position in yoga sometimes, but basically you're just gonna bend. You can use a chair or a bench as well. You're gonna bend at the hip, and you're just going to kick back. So straight leg, toe to the ground, and then flex the foot on the way up. So point and flex, point and flex. Beautiful. And really raise, you almost feel the glute lifting a little higher every time. Beautiful. 3, 2, and 1. Right away, switch sides. Whatever you do on one side, you want to do on the other, right? You don't want one saggy butt cheek. No, they're not gonna look good on anybody. But this is beautiful. This is also really good for strengthening your hamstrings and just using different muscles that you don't normally use. I've done this a lot in my physical therapy as well. 3, 2, and 1. Now I call these airplanes. You can stay down here, and basically, so I'm trying to show you the best angle. You're gonna keep that leg raised, and you're gonna take the knee to the outside hip and back. Knee, outside hip, back. So you're kind of like doing an oblique crunch, right? This is a challenging one. You might not need any weight to make it that challenging. And if you're not using weight, don't think that you're getting less of a workout. That's not true. Meet yourself where you're at, and you work up to it. As your body gets stronger, it starts adapting to what you're doing, and then you have to take it to the next level. That's it. Beautiful. Here's 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, last 2 exercises here. We're gonna drop it to the ground, and we're gonna get the tabletop position. So hands flat on the ground. Open up the chest. And sometimes they call these fire hydrants, because it looks kind of like a dog peeing on a fire hydrant. So you're just gonna open 90-degree angle with bent angle with your leg, and open and close, and open and close. And really feel that range of motion in the hips. Nice. Opening up the hips, raising the glute. That's it. Here's 3, 2, 1, and switch sides. Same thing, other side. 9, 8, 7. You've got this. Stay with me. Beautiful. We're going to get our legs and butt on fire. 3, 2, 1. And now I call these little twisters, but basically you're going to, with your left leg, my right leg, or whichever way leg you started with, you're going to lift, take the knee, kind of cross the body, cross the body towards your opposite elbow, and then open it up. So cross the body, and then raise, kick it back, and open the hip. Beautiful. It kind of looks a little awkward. It's a great hip opener. It's a great glute exercise, glute strengthener. That's it. And you kind of get into motion. It's actually quite fun. That's it. Here's 3, 2, and 1. Same thing, other side. So cross that body, knee, opposite elbow, kind of comes in that direction, and then raise and open. So cross the body, raise and open. Nice. 3. Got this. See, it's a nice, thorough little leg and butt routine, which I adore. And I do this one. I've added this one into my mix 3 times a week. 2 and 1. And last exercise, alternate toe touches. So you're going to straighten the leg and then touch the toe on one side and then hop over like your other leg is the hurdle, touch on the other side. So hop and touch. That's it. Great for the obliques too. You'll feel it in your abdominals. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. And then switch sides. So 10, 9, 8. That's it. Here's 6, 5, 4. We're right here together like with you at home. 2 and 1. I think you got 1 extra there, but that's okay. All right, and that was an excellent legs and butt on fire workout. Now, while you can do this workout without weights, I definitely recommend working up to it. These weights also they adjust, as I said, so you can go over you can buy them in sets of 2. They're also good for physical rehabilitation. On our site, valeofit.com. And I will see you guys back here. Don't forget to leave comments and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you guys back here next time for another great workout.